I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. We've been hearing a lot in the news lately about the avian flu that's affecting a lot of the goldfinches especially. It's mostly affecting the birds on the east coast, so Nova Scotia, a little bit in Newfoundland, a little bit in New Brunswick, but they are warning that we really need to keep an eye on our feeders here to make sure that we don't get the disease here and that we don't spread it. So if you have bird feeders out, it's really important anytime to make sure you wash your feeders regularly. Probably once a week is a good idea. And if you just have a bucket like this with some hot soapy water in it and a good tool like a nice brush to get down into the bottom, that really helps. Also looking for feeders that they're really easy to take apart. Like this one, you can just take the bottom off. This is a little finch feeder, so a Niger feeder. So super easy to clean. And the birds prefer it too. Like, who wants to eat from a dirty plate? The birds don't want to eat from a dirty feeder, and it's a way to spread disease very, very quickly. Hummingbird feeders too, like those have to clean or else the hummingbirds just won't use it. These are really easy to open. The top just pops off. You can clean the little openings. It comes with a little brush, so you can clean the little ports where the birds feed from. So that's really important when you're choosing a feeder, to get a quality feeder that's easy to clean. If you do spot a sick bird, it's a really good idea to take your feeders down for about 3 weeks, clean everything with a little bit of a bleach solution, clean up the debris on the ground, and make sure it's all safe and happy. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.